Yorkville Sound's EXM Mobile 8 battery-powered PA steps up in versatility, ease of use, and delivers superior sound quality. Let's take a look as to why this is the most important mobile speaker on the market today. We often talk about our EXM Mobile series in the context of outdoor gigs for musicians and DJs. The EXM Mobile 8 reaches even further. The EXM Mobile 8 is designed for gigs of all kinds, including fitness classes, public speaking engagements, plus your own personal use, a practice amp at home, or for streaming music in the backyard. The EXM Mobile 8 lends itself to all these applications because it can be used in many ways. Tabletop position, tilt position, wedge position, or on a standard speaker stand. The unit itself is lightweight, has a built-in handle, and can be carried easily with one hand. Yorkville engineered groundbreaking sound innovation when designing the EXM Mobile 8. Many 8-inch powered speakers feature a two-way design, woofer and tweeter. The EXM Mobile 8 is a true three-way design, featuring a coaxial mid-high driver and an 8-inch low-frequency woofer. The dedicated mid-range of the coaxial driver allows the low-frequency woofer to work at its fullest capacity. Let's look at the back panel. There are 3 channels with volume and tone control. This opens up possibilities to run more instruments, mics, or DJ controllers. Channel 2 is set up to be the ultimate instrument channel. You can optimize your sound source using the mic instrument button. The notch function on channel 2 will help dial back any low-frequency feedback typically associated with acoustic instruments. The Bluetooth function allows you to pair your mobile device to the EXM Mobile 8 and group 2 Mobile 8s together wirelessly for true stereo operation. The EXM Mobile 8 can also wirelessly pair to the EXM Mobile Sub via Bluetooth. The EXM Mobile 8 has all the features you've come to expect from Yorkville Sound's EXM Mobile series. Bluetooth that allows you to stream from any device, the link function to connect to another EXM Mobile cabinet, and a minimum of 5.5 hours battery life. Battery-powered sound is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Check out the EXM Mobile 8 from Yorkville Sound, available now.